I'm going to run through the Toyota LandCruiser 70 Series 4200 kilo Outback Armour GVM Upgrade Kit. Starting at the front, you can either choose from our adjustable or our DSV or digressive front shock absorbers. Paired with that, you'll either have our Trail or Expedition front coil springs. As part of the front kit, you will also get front coil spring isolators, front bump stop spacers, steering dampener, cast correction rubber bushes, our ABS bracket kit, our front sway bar drop kit. To note, if you do have a 4-cylinder variant, you will require our front brake line spacer kit. This will automatically be part of the kit, but make sure you do let your dealer know that yours is a 4-cylinder variant. As we move to the rear kit and across the table, I'll scoot over. For our rear coil spring options, you can either choose from our DSV or digressive rear shock absorber. This features our external bump stop, external stone shield, cooling grooves, and is perfect for that tough touring, those corrugated roads, and perfect for that fleet selection vehicles where you just want to set and forget. We do have our coilover option, which has that adjustable spring seat, which will help cancel out any of those leans. It features our dual stone shields, cooling grooves, and that 20+ stages of adjustment. This is perfect for those super heavy vehicles that will benefit from that additional stabilization from the coilover. Paired with our rear shock absorbers are our Outback Armour rear leaf springs. For our 4200 kilo GVM upgrade kit, you can either choose from our Expedition HD rear leaf spring or our Expedition XHD rear leaf spring. So they are our weight ratings. With our Expedition HD rear leaf spring, that is a 600 kilogram constant rear load, and with our Expedition XHD rear leaf spring, that is an 850 kilo constant rear load. What also comes in our rear kit is our greasable shackles, our greasable pins, our bush kit, our U-bolts, our Outback Armour bump stops, our rear handbrake cable bracket kit, our ABS bracket kit, and to note, if you do have a dual cab 79 series or a 78 series LandCruiser troop carrier, you will require our rear handbrake cable spacer kit. Another thing to add is if you have a 78 series troop carrier, you will also require extended sway bar link pins. This will also be part of the kit. But again, any additional questions, please consult with your dealer. One of the last pieces of the puzzle is our Outback Armour document pack. This will come with our Outback Armour tyre placard, which will feature your axle loads and also your Outback Armour owner's manual supplement. So that's the required components for the 4200 kilo GVM upgrade kit for the 70 series. Now I'll run you through the optional extras. Our first optional extra is our front chassis bump stop spacer kit. Our second optional extra for the front of the vehicle is our heavy duty front sway bar. This will prevent that vehicle from diving into corners and increase the vehicle's stability from the front. As another optional extra, we do have our Outback Armour skid plates. This sits up under the diff. This gives you additional ground clearance and stops you getting hung up on those rocks. It also protects those U-bolts from getting damaged over rock steps. That's what's in the kit for the Toyota LandCruiser 70 Series Outback Armour 4200 kilo GVM upgrade kit. See you in the next video.